I am Captain Preetham Madhukar, parent coach and elite performance coach, founder of Skills Beyond Education. There is a famous popular quote from Albert Einstein that everybody is a genius unless you ask a fish to climb a tree. So, what I want to tell you is that we do the same with our children. We put them through the same system of examination, education. We treat everybody as people who will fare well in their sciences, in their maths, and all those things. But we don't take into consideration maybe somebody is meant to excel as a sports person, maybe somebody is meant to excel as a musician, maybe a builder, maybe a politician, or any such careers. And once we can let go the fear as a parent, once we know how to nurture the child to become original thinker, become the legends they are meant to be, because each individual is special and they have a certain gift and talent which they can bring to this world.